In this video, we'll be discussing the Typhur Sync Oven, a smart countertop oven that redefines how we cook at home. I have provided the link to this oven in the description below at the best price. The Typhur Sync Oven is not your average air fryer or toaster combo. It's a serious kitchen upgrade designed for precision and convenience. One of the standout features is the world's first built-in wireless meat thermometer probe. It tracks your food's internal temperature in real time and automatically stops cooking once your selected doneness is reached. That means no more dry chicken or undercooked steak, just perfectly cooked results every time. And because it's wireless, there are no tangled cords or signal drops to worry about. With 12 different cooking functions, this oven can handle nearly anything: air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, or even proofing dough. The 360 degrees turbo convection system really sets it apart, circulating heat rapidly to cook food faster and more evenly while using less oil. You get that perfect crisp on the outside while keeping everything tender and juicy on the inside. Whether you're making fries, pizza, or a 6-pound chicken, this oven handles it all effortlessly. Controlling it through the Typhur app makes cooking even easier. You can adjust temperatures, set cooking modes, and monitor progress straight from your phone. The app even has built-in recipes that guide you step by step, which is great for beginners or anyone experimenting with new dishes. In terms of build, the stainless steel finish looks sleek and modern while being durable and easy to clean. The included accessories: air fryer basket, wire rack, roasting pan, crumb tray, and thermometer probe are all dishwasher safe. The oven's 27-quart capacity is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys cooking larger portions without using a full-sized oven. Now, there are a few minor trade-offs. It's slightly larger and heavier than most countertop models, and the app setup may take a few minutes initially. But once you're set up, it becomes one of the most versatile and reliable kitchen appliances you'll use. Overall, the Typhur Sync Oven delivers precision, convenience, and great flavor in one impressive package. If you're someone who loves cooking smarter, not harder, this oven is definitely worth considering.